Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to another mouth-watering episode. Today I'm taking you on an outdoor adventure with one of the most primal ways to cook steak on hot stones over an open fire. You can almost taste it already, right? Alright, let's get started. First things first, you need a good fire going. Gather some dry wood and kindling and get that campfire roaring. As the fire burns down, we'll place some flat stones in the flames to heat up. These stones are going to do all the heavy lifting for us, cooking our steak to perfection. While the stones are heating, let's talk about the meat. Choose a nice thick cut of steak ribeye or sirloin works great. Season it simply with salt, pepper, and maybe a touch of olive oil to bring out those natural flavors. Now the stones should be hot enough. Carefully use some tongs to remove them from the fire and set them on a stable surface. You'll know they're ready when a drop of water sizzles and evaporates instantly on contact. Lay your steak directly on the hot stones. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness in progress. Let it cook for a few minutes on each side depending on your preferred level of doneness. You can even add a sprig of rosemary or thyme on top for an extra layer of flavor. While the steak cooks, take a moment to enjoy the surroundings. The crackling fire, the scent of nature, and that unmistakable aroma of grilling meat. This is what outdoor cooking is all about. Time to flip the steak. Use your tongs and turn it over carefully. Look at that beautiful crust. Now let it cook on the other side just a bit longer. Remember, patience is key here. Good things come to those who wait. Once your steak is cooked to your liking, carefully remove it from the hot stone and let it rest for a few minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite tender and juicy. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked steak done on hot stones over an open fire. Cut into it and enjoy the rewarding taste of your hard work. Trust me, it doesn't get any better than this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious outdoor cooking adventures. See you next time.